Bavaria, strong blonde beer, imported. This is a strong lager from the Netherlands. Apparently the domestic version is 8.6% ABV, but this one's only 7.9. I was looking at this up in Beer Advocate, and it said, yeah, I guess it must be the domestic version is 8.6, because it said it was 8.6, unless the reviewer got it wrong, so you never know. You never know, because Beer Advocate's, even though it's probably the best beer site in the world, it is a site where everybody chimes in their opinions, so really you're going on the information of a total stranger more often than not than someone who reviews beers for a living or something like that, okay? So, anyway, I don't have a lot of optimism for this. 7.9%, it's a lager. I'm thinking malt liquor, okay? So we'll see how it goes, though. It's nice. It says product of Holland, the Netherlands. So let's pour it now. Not a great pour there. Very sort of a golden apple juicy kind of color. Yeah, not much of a head. That's probably from my pouring more than anything else. I think I screwed that up. Anyway, not important with the lager anyway. So I'll give it a whiff here. I said it looks like apple juice. It kind of smells like apple juice too. Yeah, it's not a particularly strong smell. It's just sort of muted, but sort of like beer and apple juice mixed together. That's sort of what it smells like. Maybe almost a cidery kind of smell, but not quite. So we're gonna give it a taste now. Oh. No. No. This one is not getting a pass from me. I don't need a couple sips to come to a decision. It has a very sort of sweet, appley kind of taste. It's as if someone took apple juice, water, and beer and mixed them together. More water than anything else, but I'll give it this. It doesn't have an off-putting kind of high alcohol taste that you might expect. But yeah, that's really too sweet. That's way too sweet for a lager. That's terrible. Imagine it gets you drunk. If you're a little teenage boy or girl, and you know, the upside of this is that the percentage of alcohol in comparison to the price, which is quite cheap. It's only like $2 a can over here in Canada or Nova Scotia, and then our liquor prices are fucking expensive. So I imagine it's even way cheaper over in Holland and in the States and anywhere else you can get it. So if you're looking, you know, if you don't like the taste of Colt 45, you want something sweeter that sort of tastes like apple cider instead of beer, Bavaria strong blonde beer, they'll probably do it for you. But anyone else, nah, I don't think you want to try this. Quite frankly, you're better off just avoiding it altogether. So I'll give it a 1 out of 5. Just because, you know, if you're looking for a very cheap way to get drunk and you don't mind the sweetness, this will do it. This will do the job. But other than that, there's a lot more enjoyable ways to get smashed, boys and girls. So, Bavaria blonde beer, 1 out of 5. I think I'm actually going to put this down the sink.